Changing your password on Skype is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or visit the Skype website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture or initials in the top corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings or Account and Profile. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Privacy section. Click on it to access options related to your account security. Step 4. Change password. Find the option that says Change Password. You may be prompted to enter your current password for verification. After that, enter your new password and confirm it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for better security.